Here, birdie. Hey, little bird. What are you gonna do? Fly away. There's lots of cats around here. They will get you. Hurry, go. Just fly away, bird. Fly away. Go. Go. Go, bird, go. Oh no, he's coming after me. Oh, he's flying, he's flying. Maybe he might make it after all. Go on. Go on, little bird. Oh, now he's over with the... Now he's over with... Oh no, he just flew into a yard with a pug. He's a goner. There he is. And there's the pug. Oh no. Okay, the drama continues with the hurt bird. The pug didn't eat him. The crazy lady from next door, she went over and caught him in her hat and brought him over to me. So now I got him put in my laundry basket in my basement with something over the top, and I got some bird seed in the bottom so he can eat, and he's just sitting there hopefully recouping and getting better so he won't get eaten by the stray cats that are outside my door. Oh no, get better, bird. I'll keep you posted. So anyway, it's a few hours later and the bird is trying to fly around inside the laundry basket, so I think I'm going to try and let him out and see if he'll fly away, hopefully to safety. So anyway, here goes. We're going to be letting the bird free. Fly away. Freedom is only just a few flaps away. Go. Go, little bird. Go, little bird. Okay, let's watch and see what happens. Still kind of scared because he don't seem to be wanting to leave. Maybe I should keep him for another little while. Okay, so we're going to lift up the basket and see if he'll actually fly away. There he is, still on the ground. He just had a great big fat worm, but he's just sitting there. And he's not moving. I'm really nervous for him. Hopefully he's going to make it. He's going to fly away. Come on, little bird. Here, let me help him in. Go on. Yeah, get him, Trev, before he loses him. Oh, Trev. So we got him back outside, and I don't think that he's going to make it. We just got him lying on the ground on something soft, so he's pretty sick, and I don't think that the little bugger is going to make it. He's barely breathing, and oh, it's so sad. Poor little bugger. Okay, that's exactly what happened.